Hare Krishna, dear students. Welcome to the grammar class. In the last class, we discussed about degrees of comparison. So I hope that it is clear to you. Today we will be starting with chapter number 11, that is pronouns. Children, do you know anything about pronouns? What are pronouns? Pronoun. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. मतलब pronoun एक ऐसा word होता है जो हम noun की जगह पे use करते हैं. For example, Mrs. Reena Gupta is the principal of my school. She is a great educationist. हमने Mrs. Reena Gupta की जगह जो word use किया है, that is she. So it is a pronoun. All the students respect her. Her is also a pronoun. She, her means Mrs. Reena Gupta. She and her are pronouns. We use pronouns because if we kept repeating the nouns, our sentences would look awkward. हम pronouns का use क्यों करते हैं? क्योंकि अगर हम nouns को ही repeat करते जाएंगे तो हमारा sentence appropriate नहीं लगेगा. Okay, children, there are different kinds of pronouns. Let's take a look at them. There are 7 types of pronouns. First one being personal pronoun. A pronoun that stands for a person or a thing is called a personal pronoun. मतलब ऐसा कोई pronoun जो किसी person या thing की तरफ indicate करे, वो होता है personal pronoun. Pronouns like I, we, you, she, him, he, her, it, they, them are personal pronouns. There are 3 persons. फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकेंड पर्सन एंड थर्ड पर्सन. मतलब कि 3 वॉइसेस होती हैं. एक होती है फर्स्ट पर्सन की, एक होती है सेकेंड पर्सन की और एक होती है थर्ड पर्सन की. द फर्स्ट पर्सन इज द पर्सन स्पीकिंग. फर्स्ट पर्सन कौन है? वो इंसान जो बोल रहा है. मतलब आई, मी, माइन, वी, अस, आर्स आर प्रोनाउंस ऑफ द फर्स्ट पर्सन. मतलब मैं जो बात कर रहा है, जो इंसान, द पर्सन हु इज टॉकिंग इज द फर्स्ट पर्सन. द सेकेंड पर्सन इज द पर्सन स्पोकन टू. सेकेंड पर्सन कौन है? वो इंसान जिससे बात करी जा रही है. यू एंड योर्स आर प्रोनाउंस ऑफ द सेकेंड पर्सन. यू एंड योर्स आर द प्रोनाउंस ऑफ द सेकेंड पर्सन. The third person is the person or thing spoken about. Third person कौन है? वो जिसके बारे में बात हो रही है. He, him, his, she, her, hers, it, they, them, theirs are pronouns of the third person. मतलब कि ये सब pronouns किसके लिए यूज होते हैं? उसके लिए जिसकी बात हम कर रहे हैं. I equals to Suchi, the person speaking. Just take a look at this given example. I like Miss Bhushan. Do you? Yes. She is an excellent teacher. Suchi and Priya are talking amongst themselves. So I means Suchi, that is the person talking. I is a pronoun for the first person. You means Priya, the person spoken to. You कौन है? वो इंसान जिससे बात चल रही है. You is a pronoun of the second person. She equals to Mrs. Bhushan, the person spoken about. मतलब she is a pronoun of the third person. So first person means the person speaking, I, we, etc. Second person is the person being spoken to, you, etc. Third person means the person being spoken about, he, she, it, they, etc. Like nouns and pronouns. Like nouns, pronouns can also be singular or plural. Pronouns can be of the kind masculine, feminine, common or neuter gender. Okay children, pronouns भी singular और plural भी हो सकते हैं और masculine, feminine, common और neuter gender के भी हो सकते हैं. So we will take a look at this table and you have to prepare this table in your copy also because we have to learn this table as it is very important. ओके तो ये वाले टेबल को पेज नंबर 46 पे जो गिवन टेबल है फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकेंड पर्सन, थर्ड पर्सन वाला, इसको आप अपनी कॉपी में बनाएंगे. ओके, टेक अ लुक. फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर, आई, मी, माइन, यूज्ड फॉर बोथ मेल्स एंड फीमेल्स. प्लूरल, वी, अस, आर्स. इट इज, दीज आर कॉमन जेंडर्स. Second person, singular, you, yours, plural, you, yours. Used both for males and females. Third person, singular, he, she, it, him, her, his, hers. Used, his is used for males, hers is used for females, and it is used for non-living things or animals. And in the third person, plurals will be they, them, theirs, used for males, females, animals, and non-living things. So we have studied this table. You will be making this complete table in your classwork notebooks. Now let's take a look at the exercise. Practice time 11.1. Write the personal pronouns in the following sentences in the proper column. मतलब कि हमें इन sentences में से personal pronouns को find out करना है और पेज नंबर 47 पे जो table है इसमें proper columns में fill up करना है. So let's take a look. The first sentence is, he asked me, is this shirt yours or mine? तो इस sentence में first person क्या है? The first person pronoun is mine. तो उसको हम first column में लिख देंगे mine. Then second column में आ जाएगा yours. And third column में आ जाएगा he. He is for the third person. Yours is second person. And mine is first person. Is it clear? Look at the next sentence. You congratulated us for the good work we had done. So us and we are the pronouns of the first person, us and we. And second person pronoun is you. इसमें कोई third person नहीं है. Now look at the third sentence. You need not worry, she can do it alone. You is a pronoun of second person and she is a pronoun of third person. Is it clear? Look at the next sentence. We do not care for what he says to us. Okay, so we and us are the pronouns of the first person and he is the pronoun of the third person. Okay, children? We and us are the pronouns of the first person and he is the pronoun of the third person. Look at the fifth sentence. Will you tell us your view on this problem? So us is the pronoun of first person and you and your are the pronouns of second person. तो इसको आप अच्छे से solve करेंगे and we will also be discussing this exercise in our next live Zoom meeting. Okay children, तब तक आप इसको solve करने की कोशिश करेंगे. I have already discussed it with you once, but still we will be discussing this again as it is a bit confusing. Now let's move on to the next exercise. Okay, so what we have to do in this one, rewrite the following using pronouns in place of the underlined nouns. मतलब कि हमें sentence दिया हुआ है, इसमें noun को underline किया हुआ है, उस noun की जगह हमें कोई pronoun को use करना है. So let's start. Tara is a dancer. Last night Tara danced so well that everybody praised Tara. So what will this sentence be? Tara is a dancer. Last night she danced so well that everybody praised her. Okay children, is it clear? We will be replacing the last two Taras with appropriate pronouns. Look at the next sentence. Sunil has a number of books. The books contain stories, but Sunil does not lend the books to anyone. So the new sentence will be Sunil has a number of books. They contain stories, but he does not lend them to anyone. Okay children, second sentence clear hai sabko? Now look at the third sentence. Ashok and Dilip are brothers. Ashok and Dilip are my cousins. I love Ashok and Dilip very much. So the sentence will be Ashok and Dilip are brothers. They are my cousins. I love them very much. Is it clear to you? Look at the last sentence. When the dog saw the stranger, the dog began to bark at the stranger. So the new sentence will be when the dog saw the stranger, it began to bark at him. When the dog saw the stranger, it began to bark at him. Okay children, so that is how you use pronouns to replace the nouns. It is more clear to you with the help of the following exercises. अब इसके आगे का चैप्टर हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में कंटिन्यू करेंगे. Until then, you will be writing all the important definitions we have learnt until now in your classwork notebook, and also you will be copying the table given on page number 46 in your notebook. Okay children, Hare Krishna, have a nice day.